Let's look at how you might use iBAA for a qualitative observation. Launch iBAA and open up the qualitative observation form. As normal, we'll enter in a student, John Smith. The date and time, again, defaults, but you can modify that. You'll also, if you wish, you could enter in the environment as well as teacher, as well as fields for instructional level and behavior. Let's go ahead and, for now, start with our default form, and we'll begin the observation. So the qualitative observation in the default form allows us to have these questions such as, does the observation reflect the ability demonstrated in formal measures of achievement? Not applicable, yes or no. And you select it just by clicking. You do that, and then you also can go through the skills noted. And you can note whether the student was attentive in class, not applicable, whether it was a strength or a weakness. Now this works great, and this is one of our standard default forms, but you might have one that you'd prefer to use. Let me show you really quick how you can go ahead and do that. So underneath form, just as we've done before previously with students, we're going to create a new form. You can give the form a name, and you can modify the qualitative questions as well as the modify qualitative skills. To modify qualitative questions, select it, and all the items on the default form will appear here as well. And you simply place a check mark for those that you wish to include on your form. Now you might have something you'd like to add, so you click the plus and you can add your own question. Same thing for adding your own skill. And when you're done, you would click save. And that's how you can do the qualitative observations using the default form, and how you can also modify them for your own purposes. And all that within iBAA.